National support arrives from Ghana. Engineers are undertaking reconstruction, focusing on roof repair and structural work. However, church reconstruction loans are debated. A member of parliament questioned government support for churches via the National Housing Trust. A minister argued that churches provide vital social roles, justifying assistance. The United States Department of State paused immigrant visa applications from countries including Jamaica. This aims to reassess processing procedures. This pause affects immigrant visas only, not tourist, student, business, or work visas. Jamaicans are advised not to make drastic life changes. Criticism arose regarding a proposed one-road authority. A minister dismissed critiques from local government representatives as premature. Critics argued that local authorities should not lose responsibilities due to funding issues. The minister clarified that the aim is not to weaken local government. A swimmer secured gold medals and a record at the ASAJ Christmas Open. Canada updated its travel advisory for Jamaica, lifting regional advisories. The entire country is now listed as yellow, meaning exercise caution. Let's take a quick commercial break. We'll be right back. Jamaica Health Box Natural Wellness, straight from the island to your home. Discover herbs, vitamins, and holistic blends designed to support energy, digestion, immunity, and everyday balance, made with a Jamaican-inspired approach to health. Shop now. www.jamaicahealthbox.com. Jamaica Health Box. Feel good, live clean. And we're back. Thanks for sticking with us. Security forces intensified operations against organized crime, arresting gang leaders and seizing firearms and narcotics. The murder rate decreased marginally, but violent crime remains a concern. Jamaica's tourism sector rebounds, with an increase in arrivals. Inflation remains an issue. The government is considering subsidies for low-income households. An uptick in dengue fever cases is reported. Public health campaigns are underway. A COVID-19 booster campaign targets vulnerable populations. New digital learning resources are rolled out for public schools. Teacher unions are negotiating with the government. Examination results showed improvements. The Electoral Office finalized preparations for local elections. Parties are ramping up campaigns. Parliament debates constitutional reforms. The National Water Commission warns of continued drought. Water restrictions are in place. Jamaica secured funding for coastal protection projects. The national football team prepares for World Cup qualifying matches. Athletes are gearing up for the World Indoor Championships. Residents are advised to follow guidance on dengue and COVID-19 prevention. Travelers and locals should remain vigilant and adhere to advisories. Water conservation is critical. Thanks for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visit www.jamaicahealthbox.com to heal your body and cleanse. Your health is your wealth. Share this video.